let's get cooking, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. Bushcrafty Cooks once more, and we're going to do another casserole. You see me do the beef tips and the cheeseburger casserole or cheeseburger pie, however you want to say it. It's kind of the same concept, but we're going to be doing this with pulled pork. Now, it's not barbecued pulled pork because, you know, the barbecue sauce is super sweet and all that. But I'm not going to go over how I cooked this. Put it in the smoker for about 18 hours. It was about, I don't know, about 4 pounds. And the pork butt cost me, I think $12. And I ate on it for about 4 days, and I still have some left. That's how much I have extra. So cook it any way you want. You can bake it, you can boil it, whatever you want to do. Just pulled pork. We're going to start out with our pork rinds. I'm going to try to crunch them up as much as possible. We'll put those on the bottom. They are a little bit stale, like these ones are. Kind of works to your advantage. But I like to fill the bottom up as much as possible. Break up the bigger ones. I mean, you don't have to, but I think it's a little bit better that way. There we go. Now we're going to layer this thing with our pulled pork. You can break it up. You can leave it in a big chunk if you want. I don't care. I like to break it up a little bit. That way the mixture that we're going to be putting goes on to everything. And hopefully you guys can see the whole bowl. I know the last video I did, it was moved a little bit this way and you couldn't see everything. Oh no. But hopefully you guys can see the whole thing now. Here we go. You can just break this up as much as you want. Put as much as you want in there. Make sure you have your oven preheated, ready to go. And there's no need for me to do anything with this because it's already cooked and everything. So basically all we're doing is heating this up and cooking the egg mixture. And I think that's good right there. Now, what I'd like to do, after I've washed my hands off a bit, put that in there. And my counter is clean, don't worry. I have me some Gouda cheese. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the smoked, but this stuff is pretty good here. So we are going to incorporate our Gouda cheese within this. You can put as much as you want in here, or as little. You can even leave it out if you would like. But I'm going to add it in here. I think that's good right there. Oh, we need a spot right there. There we go. That little piece there. Okay. Our next step is take our measuring cup and take our heavy cream. And we're going to take a cup of heavy cream. Actually, that's a little bit more. And we have some free-range eggs here. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little extra protein in here. I'm going to put 2 eggs this time instead of just the 1. And what I usually like to do is the meat's already seasoned. It's been cooked and everything. So what I'm going to do, make sure you guys can see this. I am going to put my seasoning in here. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. Same with onion. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning in that. And start out kind of slow at first. Work that around. And then we're going to incorporate. There's my oven already getting preheated. It's ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and mix these eggs in this heavy cream together. Just like this. And once you got it pretty much incorporated, where it's mixed up really good, you are going to pour it over in your casserole dish. Make sure you get it all over this. Now again, remember, I put an extra egg than I usually do. You can leave it out if you want, but I want the extra protein and stuff in there this go around. Now, you could leave it at that if you wanted to, you know, just like that. But I have some sliced provolone cheese. Yes, slices. And we are going to layer our provolone right on the top of here. Just like so. Let me get a couple more here. You can put as many or as little as you want. Like this. I'm going to go ahead and do this number, break it in half. Get right there. This is going to be super cheesy. So those who like that cheese, this is the recipe for you. Okay, once you got that done, it's ready to go into the oven. So we're going to put it in the oven about 20 or so minutes. And if you kind of notice down here in the corner how it's jiggly right there, once you take it out and it's not jiggly, you're ready to eat. So let's go ahead and stick it in the oven and we'll be right back. Ooh-wee, does this look good? Let me tell you, the little crunchies on the, oh, that's the good stuff right there. The little crunchies right there. Oh, yeah. About 25 minutes, 20 minutes, somewhere like that. I wouldn't really count. And I just go and look at it, go from the looks. But my mouth is watering right now waiting to try this out. So, got my plate over here. We're going to go ahead and cut into this. Ooh-wee. It is super cheesy in this thing. Oh, maybe a little bit too cheesy. Is that such a thing? Oh man, look at that. So all that cheese in the inside. Now you could leave that cheese in or leave it out depending how you like it. I probably put too much cheese in this, but is there such a thing? Too much cheese? Ooh, look at all that cheese. Oh man. That looks super good. Let me go ahead and put that down right there. Let's slide this thing over. Try not to burn my fingers on it. Ouch, ouch, it's hot. Ooh, look at that. Pulled pork. Super cheesy. Oh, man. Let's give it a taste here. Get some of that yummy Gouda cheese in that. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Oh, man. Dang. If I didn't think that pulled pork could taste any better. Yeah, that is really good. Oh, man. But there you have it, guys. Look at that. That's some good stuff there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Remember, if you guys try these recipes, take some pictures, make a video, whatever, share them with me. My email's down below. It's on my About page, all that. I'd be happy to share with everybody else that other people are their interpretations of this. Now, if you wanted to do this in keto, you could put onions and peppers with this. Oh, that'd even be better. But this is fully carnivore right here. Until next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Happy cooking.